Hey, it's James Phillips. Do a lot of work out at Fort Campbell. I'm going to talk to you today about U.S. District Court and how it works on Fort Campbell. So one of the things you have to realize is that on Fort Campbell, there's federal jurisdiction. So whenever a crime is committed out there that is not going to be handled by the command or by the Office of Special Trial Counsel as a court-martial or non-judicial punishment, all the cases end up going through the U.S. District Court on Fort Campbell. You'll hear it called also the Magistrate Court, but it is officially a federal court. So some of the things you need to know about the court is it's a very friendly court. So you can pick up cases like DUIs, domestic violence, whatever it may be, different kinds of cases that are out there, and you're generally going to get a very friendly judge. You're going to get a very friendly prosecutor out there, and a lot of times we can work something out that looks like a dismissal, some kind of dismissal with community service, things like that. So the way the process works on there, if you get pulled over by the MPs or your CID goes and has a certain kind of brings charges against you, once that investigation is complete, they can turn this case over to the U.S. District Court. Now, the U.S. District Court, because Fort Campbell is on two sides of the border, so we have Kentucky on one side, and so part of the court comes out of Paducah, and the other part is coming out of Nashville in Tennessee, in the Middle District of Tennessee, down from Nashville, that you're going to have a court case that's either going to be in the Tennessee side or it's going to be in the Kentucky side. And they're going to give you a court date out of Texas. And the first date is just an arraignment. And the arraignment is where you go in and you're basically read the charges and you're given what's called your discovery, or the packet of information or the things that the government has against you. After that, they'll normally set it for what's called further proceedings, where we work out a deal as far as what's going to happen, how we're going to get the case dismissed, what we need to do to make this thing go away. If we cannot get that done and we're going to need to go to a trial, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to have a trial, and you're going to get a status hearing at your next court date, and then eventually you're going to be set for trial. We can file motions and it looks like a full trial. Normally, to keep costs down, you're going to be in front of the judge, very friendly judge out there, and very winnable cases out there. So if you have any questions that come about your specific case, give me a call at 931-217-7648, or email me at jphillipslaw22@gmail.com, or you can click a link down below and you can set up an appointment with us. Love to hear from you. Happy to take care of your USDC case.